Hello, my name is Xiong. I am introducing Watson's theory of caring and how that relates to the Healthy People 2020 goal for social determinants of health. Jean Watson is a nursing theorist. She developed the theory of caring out of her own experiences as a nurse. She believes that nursing comes from a caring nature, therefore those in the profession are both caregivers and healers. The theory of human caring emphasizes the need to care for the self before caring for others, as understanding the connection between the mind, body, spirit. Watson was the founder of the Center for Human Caring in Colorado. Her theory is a guide for transformative caring and used worldwide by all types of healthcare professionals. She developed the 10 Caritas to encourage nurses to practice caring. The 10 Caritas are provided in the handout. The Healthy People 2020 topic that best fits the theory of caring is a goal for social determinants of health. Determinants can be based on environments such as schools, homes, neighborhoods, communities, and workplaces. At-home determinants include healthy eating, exercise, immunizations, health screenings, and seeking care from healthcare professionals. The goal is to close a gap for all Americans to make better choices for good health. How does Watson's theory of caring and goal for social determinants help achieve good health for all? It is identifying those determinants and establishing social policies to address the problems, such as areas in the neighborhood, the economy, education, social and community resources, and health and healthcare. Watson's theory of care can be used to emphasize the health and healthcare determinants that exist through the theory of that their patients be taken care of in a holistic way. Nurses can bridge the gap to increase access of healthcare services for patients and provide education to improve health. How does this relate to my clinical scholarly project? It is tied into the meeting the needs of Healthy People 2020 by increasing the caring practice from nurse practitioners. Nurse practitioners can improve access to healthcare services by working in underserved areas and provide education to patients at appropriate educational levels or through use of interpreters. And also, as nurse practitioners deal with burnout, they can use the theory of caring towards themselves in order to be able to care for others. These are the references that were used for the PowerPoint.